day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Miss Alma Victoria, 26 years old, single. I live in Cantong Tagpang, Macbeth, Cotabato. I finished my vocational course in Kidapawan City in LDV Institute of Technology. I learned my special skills from my home with my mother and my father. I learned cleaning, ironing, washing, taking care of babies, and giving food for pets like cat and dog. I have also experienced in domestic work. Year 2001 to 2003, I have a Italian employer in Dubai. They have 3 children, and after 3 years, they decide to go back to Italy. That's why they decide to give me a release. They helped me to find a new employer. I found a new employer. They are a Canadian citizen. They have also 2 kids, all boys. That is 2004 to 2006. I experienced in my first employer all households, cleaning, taking care of babies, gardening, and also washing cars. In my second employer, I also experienced cleaning, ironing, washing, taking care of babies, and sending the children in school and picking him back. Then I experienced also washing cars and cleaning the garden.
How many members of the family did you serve? How many adults and children?
2 adults and 3 children.
How big is their house and how many rooms?
They have a 2-story house and 2 rooms and 3 bathrooms.
Other than you, do they have another maid in your employer's house?
No, ma'am, I'm only the one who working in their house.
Would you sleep together with the child or baby?
No, ma'am, I sleep alone and the baby at night sleep with her parents.
Do you get along with your ex-abroad employer?
No, ma'am.
If your employer children are naughty, how will you handle it?
If the children of my employer are naughty, I try to talk to him, to let him calm down. I let them to play, watch TV, to let them calm down.
Are you willing to work for a family with more than 6 members?
Yes, madam, I'm willing to work with more than 6 members in the family.
Why did you not extend your contract?
I did not extend my contract in my second employer because I decided to study a caregiver to improve my knowledge and also in home management.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
Madam, sir, if you choose me as your housemaid, I can promise to you I'll be loyal, good, and I will be very responsible to my duties and responsibilities. That's all. Thank you.